Meanwhile, says its case is clear that the Parkland shooter's brother is also a danger to the community, and today a judge agreed setting bond for Zachary Cruz at $500,000 on a trespassing charge.
Contact 5 investigator Maris Badcock here in studio with what she's uncovered about the younger Cruz that has never been reported before. Maris?
Well, we also found Zachary Cruz had almost twice as many run-ins with law enforcement than his brother Nicholas, in a pattern of blatantly disregarding any and all authority figures.
Two brothers who share the same last name now share a rap sheet in Broward County.
Step up, sir. Are you Zachary Paul Cruz?
Yes.
For crimes committed on the same high school campus.
He admitted this was not the first time he had been present on the school campus, but rather the third.
18-year-old Zachary Cruz, who currently lives in a Palm Beach County trailer park, said he rode his skateboard through Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School's campus because he wanted to reflect on the school shooting and soak it in. He faces a trespassing charge. Zachary's older brother, 19-year-old Nicholas Cruz, stands accused of the massacre of 17 people at Stoneman Douglas on Valentine's Day. Prosecutors say Zachary's conversations with Nicholas in jail are eye-opening.
He has been heard and observed discussing how popular his brother is now, that his face is everywhere and his name is national. There is discussion of starting some sort of pen pal or fan club, and how many girls he is capable of attracting, referring to his brother Nicholas.
Contact 5 investigators found in the last 7 years, Zachary Cruz has had more than 40 run-ins with Broward and Palm Beach County law enforcement for things like running away from home, hitting his mom with a baseball bat, and refusing to go to school.
Like I said, he hasn't been withdrawn from here, so we're concerned about his welfare, and that things are happening the way they need to for this young man. He needs to be in school.
After his brother Nicholas was arrested for the school shooting, Zachary Cruz was Baker acted by Palm Beach County deputies and later confessed to bullying Nicholas when they were younger. A judge set Zachary Cruz's bond at $500,000 despite the misdemeanor crime.
The state's request is entirely disproportionate to the crime with which Mr. Cruz has been accused at this point of committing. This is the standard bond of this is $25. Mr. Cruz, according to the Sheriff.org website, posted that bond. He should have already been released. He is being held because of who he is related to, not because of anything that he did.
Zachary Cruz must wear an ankle monitor and undergo a psychological evaluation. A judge also ordered police to search his home in suburban Lantana for any weapons. He also cannot talk with his brother Nicholas anymore. Live in the studio tonight, I'm Maris Badcock, WPTV News Channel 5.
Maris, thank you. And one more thing on this story. After the bond hearing today, we did learn that the Broward Sheriff's Office filed for an order of protection against Zachary Cruz under a new Florida law. The Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Act indicates that a judge can prohibit a violent or mentally ill person from having a weapon. No word when a judge will consider that petition.